Hey YouTube, we just got a new Vitamix machine. It is the Professional Series 750. We got the one with the low profile BPA-free container so we can fit it underneath our countertops. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we got. This says it's a welcome kit, which I'm guessing this is a DVD. And here says there's the recipe book. It's pretty heavy too. Here's the tamper. There we go. Here's the container, and this is the shorter one compared to the normal size one. And here is the machine. Alright, so let's show you the machine. This one on the side here has an on and off switch. And when you turn it on, the knife comes on the front, which is nice. And on this side, you can turn it up to different speeds manually, I guess. And you start it like this, and then you stop it like that. And I think you can actually increase the speed too, let's see. You can increase the speeds. And then on the left side, over here, you have 5 pre-programmed settings. This one is for smoothies. This one is for frozen desserts. This one is for hot soups. This one is for purees. And this one is for cleaning. And then over here it has a pulse function. Okay, let's open this up and see what we got. Looks like we got a getting started guide. It's a DVD. A getting started